Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make WhatsApp pop up like Messenger. This fantastic feature lets you reply to messages quickly from any screen on your phone. It's designed to mimic the convenient floating chat heads you might be familiar with from Messenger. You'll enjoy seamless communication and enhanced multitasking without constantly switching between applications. Let's dive into the simple steps to enable this handy function on your device. To begin, you'll need to open your phone's main settings menu. Once there, navigate to the Apps and Notifications section, which is usually found near the top. Next, locate and select the WhatsApp application from the comprehensive list of installed apps. After selecting WhatsApp, tap on Notifications to access its specific notification settings. This is where we will enable the pop-up feature. Now, within the notification settings for WhatsApp, you'll need to find the option labeled Bubbles or sometimes floating notifications. To get the full Messenger-like experience, choose All Conversations Can Bubble. This ensures every new message appears as a floating bubble. Alternatively, you can select Selected Conversations Can Bubble if you only want specific chats to pop up. This gives you precise control over your pop-up notifications. Finally, send a test message to your WhatsApp from another device or a friend to confirm that the pop-up functionality is working correctly. You can now reply directly from the floating chat bubble without opening the full application. Experience enhanced multitasking and incredible convenience with this feature. Remember, this pop-up functionality works seamlessly on Android devices running version 11 or higher, bringing a new level of accessibility to your messaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.